Good afternoon, everyone. Jerry Hawk 250 here. I've been out of commission for about a week. Had flu-like symptoms, coughing, and actually lost my voice, so I couldn't do any videos. It's also been raining here. You can see the road's still wet. Waiting for it to dry out a little bit, because I did replace my front sprocket. I want to try that out a little later. But what I did is install some fog light, running lights, driving lights. These are very bright, but the main reason I install them is for visibility for people to see me, but they are really bright at nighttime. The yellow really lights up the road in front of you. High beam reaches really far out. But what I did is got them wired to my lighting system. So basically I can, I need to turn these on. Headlights will not work without the engine running. So as you can see right now, get my low beams on, and if I come over here and turn my switch on, I've actually got my high beams on right now, nice and bright. Put the low beams on. Fog lights come on automatically, and you can tell these are really highly visible. Like I said, I've installed these on a few bikes. Had people pull out in front of me. That pretty much killed that part of it, because people can now see me. They don't pull out from me, they'll actually wait now. I've also installed some spools. You actually have two bolts in here, on one on each side, and remove that. And this is going to be a 10mm by 1.25 thread. I'll have a link down in the description for these. Actually, I got Herbie's Garage. He had made a suggestion to use these. Just finished lubing the chain up. I'm just waiting for road to drop, so I'll go try her out. See how them gears work. So yeah, please like, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later, or maybe with a riding video later. It just depends on how the weather clears up.